Anong kasalanan ko?
Kita! Opo sa tayo bala. Kita! Akin na yung anak ko! Akin na yung anak ko!
Don't make personal.
For more than 30 years. That was the condition. Finally finished, sir. That was the condition that was questioned and posed before any action can be taken. That copy was provided earlier, and that copy, a hard copy, was not supposed to be provided to the requested. So who was it, sir? Because my client is actually insisting for a copy because you can send you a copy now, sir. That is all right.
Well, I've given you for almost 2 hours. At saka, ang basis sa pagkakaroon ng batas, saan ba? Anong batas? Batas ng Pilipinas o batas na ini-implement na nag-withdraw na tayo 2 years ago? Hindi mo ba?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are implementing, the warrant for this is being implemented now is by virtue of warrant that is issued by the ICC as contained in the red notice list, sir. But in the process of implementing the warrant of arrest and informing the President of his rights, we are applying the laws of the Philippines because it is within Philippine jurisdiction.
But the warrant is still implementing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Although this is being implemented by a foreign entity, what royalty is very real when we go.
Yes, sir. My comment, sir, we have processed also.
So, thank you, sir. Thank you. And we still want to be clear on your rights na pinasolution. Salamat po. Kung rights ba ng state, o rights ba ng Pilipino, o rights ba ng whatever rights.
Those are the Miranda rights, sir, under our laws. That was led by Brigadier General Dictor, sir.
Has the Miranda rights been adopted by the Hague Convention?
It doesn't necessarily have to be, sir.
Hindi ko masyado ito, sir. Relax lang tayo, kaibigan tayo.
Yes, sir.
Pero pagkatapos ito, kita rin tayo. Whether I'm in jail or somewhere, we will eventually see together. So let us not grab it. Anong gusto lang malaman? Kasi siyempre, I am a Filipino citizen. Galing ko lang sa labas, bakasyon. At ito ang nangyari sa akin. So, ang first is, what is the basis for my arrest? If I am being arrested now for detention, on the basis of detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed?
If you allow to answer, Mr. Former President, sir.
Yes, sir.
Based on the warrant of arrest, Mr. President, the warrant of arrest is issued pursuant to Article 25, 3, subsection A, the statute for the crimes against humanity, and murder pursuant to Article 7, paragraph 1, subsection A of the same statute, committed in the Republic of the Philippines during the relevant period. That is the one we just mentioned, Mr. President, in the warrant of arrest.
I'm not doing
Yes, sir. If
we want to exercise our option. Hindi yung may preferential dito, yung tanggap mo dito.
Show us the basis for the, restriction of freedom in Busan.